want the mystery box challenge?
Yay! I wanna go first! Which box will I solve? Huh? 9! Hiya! Huh? Sticky! Is it slime? Yeah! Woo!
What is that?
Slime!
Wow!
I like slime. Okay, my turn.
Let's go!
Come on, Ariana. 2. Make me a space daddy.
Okay, Ariana, okay.
Mario! What is that? Is it ice cream? Yeah! Yes! Good job! I like it! So delicious! Yummy!
Can I try, please?
Okay! Don't peek, Daddy!
Ta-da! Number 1. Here! What is that? Oh!
Ouch, ouch, ouch! What is that, Daddy? Might.
Don't look.
Huh? 11? What is this? Is it a flower?
No.
Huh? What is this? It's so hairy. Maybe a dog?
Yeah.
Wow, nice dog. Can I have it? No. Idea. Another door.
Adria, do you like it?
Yes, Daddy.
Ariana, come. Your turn.
10.
Oh!
Where is my mystery box? There. Whoa! What a weird shape and so many legs or hands. And it's so fluffy. An octopus toy?
Yeah.
Yes! Wow, so pretty! So cute!
Adri, your turn.
I'm here. Ooh, let's solve this case. 7!
Yeah!
Ooh, squishy. It's fluffy. Is this a marshmallow? Yeah! Do you like it, Adria? Mystery solved! I can do a vampire.
Harry, your turn.
I'm gonna solve this case so fast. 4?
Okay?
What? What is this? Is this candy? Warm? Yeah! Delicious. My turn. My mystery number is 3. Huh? What is this? It's so cold. What is that? So sticky. It smells so nice. Ready? Wow, what a yummy case. Let's go. 8.
Oh!
Wow, chocolate. What is that? Wow. What could it be? I think it's jelly. Yay! wobble.
Adria, Ariana, where are you? My turn. 5. Oh! What is that? What is that?
Hey, Daddy, this is mine. Huh? What is that? Huh? What is this? Why is it so hot? I think it's both, so I think it's a hamburger. Woo! Yay! Another case of salt.
Last 2 numbers, 6 and 12. I think 6.
Okay, I can touch this. Is this marshmallow? Because it's stretchy.
No.
Oh. But they're cool. They're squishies.
Yeah.
Yay, squishy, squishy. Daddy, look, squishy. There's a turtle. Wow, nice.
Whee! Last 1 box. Ah, idea.
Huh? 12? Where's Dad? Aha! Harry, come. Let's do it together! 3, 2, 1!
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
So cool! Harry, what is that? Do you have any idea? I'm not sure, but it feels like a circle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo.